On our fourth day here in Jordan, we'll visit Madaba, Mount Nebo, and the famous Wadi Mujib Canyon. Madaba is well known for its mosaics. But first, we visit the St. John's Church, because there is a bell tower offering a great view over the city. Our next stop is the St. George Church, which is famous for its mosaic map. This is the oldest map of the Middle East, 1,500 years old. As a tourist, you cannot avoid to visit the mosaic factory.
Farben. Das Gelb ist von Jarash, Rot und Rosa ist von Petra und die anderen Farben sind von Rund Madaba.
In any case, you can buy nice souvenirs here. Mount Nebo is our next point of interest. According to the Bible, this is the place where Moses was granted a view of the Promised Land before his death. This Byzantine church was built in about the 4th century. The Byzantine Empire was a mixture of Roman politics, Greek culture, and Christian faith. At 1 p.m. we reach our final destination for today, the Wadi Mujib Canyon. But we are very sad, because the Wadi is closed due to heavy rains in the last week. So we'll spend the whole afternoon on the beach of the Mujib chalets, where we stay overnight. Anyway, this misfortune was a great luck for us. The reason for this is because this place is really unique. We feel like we are on a strange planet, all alone.